Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. Sometimes winter can be a little harsh and gloomy to the body and mind, and I know why exactly, because I am a summer person. So today I'm going to talk to you about how I take care of my mind and body during winters. There are little things that help me calm down and relax, like lighting up a couple of scented candles when I take bath. I also play some cozy lo-fi music which gives me a sense of warmth during my shower. The next step is to moisturize, and this might be my favorite step in the entire ritual now that I'm clean, relaxed and calm. I make sure that I moisturize my whole body without fail every single day. I find moisturizing the body very relaxing. I take my own time and slowly soothe each part of my body. Also, I love using a good moisturizer that smells good. Different aromas can help to soothe you. Whenever I breathe a good scent, it just takes my mind off of frustration or stress that I might be experiencing. So I try to breathe in and experience the scent and get all thoughts out of my head and live in the moment. The moisturizer I love using is the Everyuth Naturals Body Lotion. It's an Indian brand and the packaging looks very happy and cute. Plus, I've noticed brands nowadays make those pumps to take out product from the container. It might look easier, but it leads to a lot of waste when there's just a little product left at the bottom. I personally prefer the simple and cute packaging, and there's no waste, and you don't really need to worry about the spillage if you're traveling anywhere. The hydration is awesome. It's got 100% natural almond milk, which just keeps my body so hydrated. In winters, my skin gets really dry, so I tend to put in a lot of moisturizer. And I have had experiences like the moisturizer staining my clothes because it was so greasy and oily. But you just can't put less amount of lotion to avoid staining your clothes. Your skin deserves adequate amount of hydration, right? The Everyuth Naturals Body Lotion is just not like that. It's very hydrating. It just hydrates my body beautifully and it nourishes it because it's got 100% natural ingredients and it's just not oily or greasy at all. These body lotions have a quick absorption formula, which means you don't really need to keep rubbing for it to get absorbed. The almond milk in it does the trick, and you will be amazed to see how quickly it gets absorbed. It has 4 variants, so I use them according to my mood. On the days when my skin feels good, I use the Rejuvenating Flora, which is a daily gentle moisturizer. It works like magic on your delicate skin. This non-sticky lotion is an amazing blend of delicate floral goodness with 100% natural almond milk, and it is paraben-free and cruelty-free. When my skin feels very dry, I use the Nourishing cocoa, which gives 48 hours intense moisturization. It should be your go-to body lotion. I mean, if you like chocolate, then this should be your pick, but just make sure you don't eat it. And this too combines the goodness of 100% natural almond milk and pure cocoa, and it treats your skin with this deep nourishment. Most of the days I love using the soothing citrus aloe, which gives a soothing antibacterial protection along with moisturization. This body lotion has got the refreshing goodness of orange, which is a great source of antioxidant, and pure aloe vera blended with 100% natural almond milk. Now this too gets easily absorbed in the skin, making sure your skin remains healthy, nourished and hydrated, and these are suitable for all skin types. On days where I have to head out, I love using the sunblock berries, which has SPF 15 to protect the skin from the sun. So if you spend long hours outside or traveling a lot, or people who love exercising in the sun a lot in winter, this is perfect for you. I would definitely want you guys to try it out. It just makes me so happy just using it. Then I love watering my plants. They help to heal and relax and rejuvenate the body and mind. Watering them and taking care of them lifts up my mood. Then I love reading spiritual books, and of late I am into spiritual books. I'm currently reading this amazing book, Gita, Spirituality for Leadership and Success. It's about being free from our limitations and achieving inner peace, energy and happiness. I incorporate these little things in my daily life, and by doing this I get a sense of fulfillment. I'm also eager to know if you've used the Everyuth Naturals Body Lotion and which one of the 4 is your favorite. And if you haven't tried them out yet, then you should definitely try. I'm going to link the products in the description box below. So comment down below how your experience was using them. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you enjoyed and loved my after shower routine. Let me know about your routine and anything different that you do which will benefit all of us. If you wish to see more videos like this, like more routine based videos, then do let me know. And now I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.